In a healthy situation, the water in our body is structured. Healthy structured water in our body has a hexagonal honeycomb shape. Scientists have discovered that this hexagonal water forms a whole communication network. Harmonic frequencies can create harmonic resonating water patterns. On the other hand, unnatural discordant frequencies lead to disharmonious resonating water structures. Cell phones, computers, Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G and 5G, etc., emit so-called EMF radiation. This unnatural disharmonic EMF radiation can disrupt the healthy hexagonal water structure in your body. There is an advanced solution. A card with a built-in harmonic resonator can restore the healthy water structure. The card is equipped with a powerful quantum resonator with an effective working range of 3 meters that corresponds to about 10 feet. The card restores the healthy hexagonal water structure and offers 24 hours protection against disruptive EMF effects. You can carry the card in your pocket. Put it on your office desk, or at night on your bedside table. It has a range of 3 meters that corresponds to about 10 feet. It gives you protection against the effects of EMF, 24 hours a day. Power boost strips for local applications. Use it for yourself and others. The card has a calming side and a more stimulating side. Choose the desired effect. These options are also very useful by local application and meditation. Harmonic quantum resonator technology. Healthy water structure. Also for local applications. More relaxed. Better sleep. Better mental focused. HQR technology is a 24-hour solution.